Hey guys, so I'm here with my sister and she requested something that would give her some versatility but easy access to her hair. So we're going to do some Afro Kinky Coily clip-ins. So we're starting this with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. Then we're going to section out her leave out. She's just going to have a little leave out near the part left out and her side perimeters because this particular style is going to be more of a clip-in full install as opposed to a clip-in partial install. That would be like your layer of hair, a clip-in weft, a layer of hair, clip-in weft. This is just going to be majority clip-in wefts with this style. So for this leave out section, I'm just going to flat twist that part down. I like doing that so I can preserve the moisture while I prep the rest of the hair for her clip-ins. Once that's done, I'll just clip that out of the way and then I'll move into sectioning her hair to do flat twist on those. They're going to provide the base for the clip-ins. And this is really good for people who have thin, fine hair, people who have a lot of shrinkage in their hair. This will help your clip-ins blend in better. So what I do is section into 4 quadrants and then I flat twist those quadrants afterwards. Now when I'm parting the hair to do the flat twist, there's no even parting. I actually prefer it to be staggered instead of just complete straight parts going across. I like for it to have a staggered effect because I overlap my clip-ins. So this always ensures me that I'm not clipping right at a part, but I'm clipping onto a nice thick piece of hair. And I'll show you in a minute as I turn her around so you can see the back view of once it's all twisted. So once again, I leave that side perimeter out, and after we finish this, we're just going to twist that up to get that out of the way as well. And then once I twist all those quadrants up, I'll just do one complete twist, connecting all 4 of them, and we're ready to install. So we have our sides all twisted up and we're going to start clipping her hair in. We're going to start with our Halo clip-in weft. It's sold separately from our traditional 9-piece clip-in set. It's an 11-inch wide weft with 4 tracks attached. So this one weft replaces up to 2 traditional clip-ins. It's a quick way to add a lot of volume and length to your hair without using a lot of clips. So then after that, we start adding your traditional 9-piece clip-in set. We're not going to use 9 pieces for this though because we use that volume halo clip-in. So we're just going to need to use a few just to make sure there's everything covered. And we're going to overlap the tracks as well. Now when it's time to put the tracks in closer to the part, we're going to actually flip them upside down and clip them up. So when we turn them over, there's nice and full and there's no tracks exposed. So you see right here, we're just going to turn them under, clip them that way, and then turn them back over the other way. There are no tracks exposed and it gives you a lot of height and volume, especially if you have big hair. So that's my little trick that I like to do closer to the part, which means you don't have to leave a lot of leave out to really get your style that you're looking for. Once we have that done, we're going to part her hair out where she wants her part to be. And then we just need to blend in her leave out. It's providing great coverage already because we're not even trying to hide any tracks. So we're going to spray a little moisturizer, coconut oil, and leave-in conditioner concoction I have in the bottle. I'll spray that on there to moisturize that leave out again. And then untwist the side perimeter that we twisted out the way. And as I untwist it, you're going to see how flawlessly it blends in with the hair. This Afro Kinky Coily texture is really good for 4B, 4C hair because it blends in really well. We're going to add a little product to her edges just to smooth those down a bit and blend those back. And just kind of finger style her hair just so that it could blend in with the rest of the hair. A super quick style that takes no more than 10 minutes to do, and you're ready to go out the door. And because we let that side perimeter out, that gives her a lot of versatility with her styles. For instance, here she can do a twisted pullback style, especially since she does not have a lot of clip-ins. Just those clip-ins right at the top is providing a good amount of hair to give her a nice thick twist to pull back. So this means you can do a lot of pin-ups and updos and really be versatile with these clip-ins. So we've removed all her clips and now we're going to do an up-down style. I molded the top of her hair off camera and left a little leave out for the back. And then I just did those flat twists in the back, just a couple rows of flat twists. Now I'm adding a couple of rows of clip-ins, and then that last row of clip-ins that I add, I'm going to add it in backwards and then just flip it over again so there are no tracks showing, and then it gives some nice fullness at the back. I'll blend in her hair over that, and then I'm going to add our 8-inch weft, 8-inch wide weft around her ponytail, and then take a little hair from that weft just to cover over her tracks at the base. It's kind of redundant because the ponytail is going to be in like a donut style anyway, but I am obsessive like that. So once I twist that around, I'm going to add plenty of pins. This Afro Kinky hair curls can just kind of spring out a little bit, so you want to add a lot of pins, enough to make sure that bun is nice and tight. And then you're all set. So this is our half wig style, and we'll start by leaving the front perimeter completely out. And then for this style, I use a weaving net. Now, this is my go-to style. When I am in a rush and I have to get out the door, I usually just pull my hair back. Actually, I have a short fro, so I don't do anything with it. I just put this weaving net on. But for my sister, her hair is longer, so I just pulled her hair back and maybe like 2 flat twists and put this weaving net on. And then once I do that, I just start laying those clip-in wefts in a U formation to get enough coverage on the sides and the back. And then I start closing that U by laying those few tracks, that space that's left, laying those tracks horizontally. So once I get that track in, my last track is going to go in backwards, and I'm going to flip it over. And you're going to see how easily her hair just blends in with it. So this is what I do when I'm in a rush and I have to go, because then I'll add like a cute little thin headband to it or a cute little scarf bandana type thing. And I have a style that's set, and I got it done in less than 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial to show the versatility of our clip-ins. And for this video, we used a halo clip-in weft and our traditional 9-piece clip-in weft in the length 14 inches. So head over to Heirdress Hair and check it out.